Understanding Clean Label, a guide to modern food trends. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of a contemporary phrase in the food industry, clean label. This term is becoming increasingly popular, so understanding it will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also keep you updated with current trends. Let's dive in. The phrase, clean label, refers to a movement in the food industry focusing on using fewer and more natural ingredients in food products. The idea is to offer products that are free from artificial colors, flavors, preservatives, and other additives. It's all about transparency and simplicity in ingredients. This concept is appealing because it suggests a product is healthier and more wholesome. In this section, we'll discuss why clean label has become important. Consumers today are more health conscious and concerned about what goes into their food. As a result, they are demanding products with ingredients that are easy to understand and pronounce. This shift in consumer preferences is pushing companies to reformulate their products to meet these clean label standards. Let's look at some examples. Foods like organic fruits and vegetables, natural dairy products, and whole grains often fall under the clean label category. Similarly, products that avoid high fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are also considered clean label. These examples will help you identify such products in real-life situations. How can we use this phrase in everyday English? You might hear someone say, "I prefer clean label products because they are healthier," or, "This brand is popular for its clean label snacks." Being familiar with this usage can enhance your conversational skills, especially when discussing food and health topics. I hope this video has been enlightening and has added a useful term to your English vocabulary. Clean label is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of a growing trend towards healthier and more natural food choices. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture and trends behind it. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.